Di Timur Tengah kian memanas dan mulai berdampak luas pada perekonomian global. Tersendata jalur pelayaran strategis Selat Hormuz membuat distribusi energi terganggu, mendorong lonjakan harga minyak hingga memicu kekhawatiran akan krisis ekonomi baru di berbagai negara.
The Strait of Hormuz is an important shipping lane, and currently hundreds of ships are waiting on either side of the narrow choke point, and this is having a ripple effect on the economy, potentially affecting products from food to pharmaceuticals. From the gasoline that powers transportation to the packaging of everyday items on store shelves, oil is essential.
Oil and petroleum goes into almost every product that's produced.
And now more expensive due to the ongoing war in Iran. The global oil benchmark hit $115 a barrel Thursday after Tehran's retaliatory strikes on energy infrastructure in Qatar and Kuwait. Economists say this could have an effect beyond just prices at the pump.
The synthetic plastic that they use, right, to make pill bottles or saran wrap, plastic wrap that goes on products, that is a hydrocarbon-based product. The raw material for that is oil.
More than a quarter of the world's helium comes from Qatar and travels through the Strait of Hormuz, according to the U.S. Geological Survey. It's vital for cooling MRI machines and making AI chips, and is already in short supply. Aluminum is used in large building materials. Its price has surged to a 4-year high because of the strait's closure.
If this continues, they're going to be in a bind because they're going to have an economic slowdown that's like a recession, but they're going to have inflation. And when this happens together, we call it stagflation.
But Vice President J.D. Vance is urging patience.
It's not going to last forever. We're going to take care of business.
Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu says the country will heed President Donald Trump's call to not repeat attacks on key Iranian energy sites. Reporting in Los Angeles, I'm Maribel Gonzalez.